Good morning everyone. I am Miss Kirti Madhvi from Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies from 3rd year. I would like to take you through the journey of Iceland. So before going to further, let's see the map of the Iceland. Iceland is a Nordic island country in the North Atlantic Ocean and is most sparsely populated country in Europe, which is defined by its dramatic landscape with volcanoes, geysers, hot springs and lava fields. The Iceland flag coloring represents a vision of their country's landscape. The color stands for three of the elements. Red is the fire produced by the island's volcanoes, white recalls the ice and the snow that covers Iceland, and the blue is for the mountains of the island. The cross represents its Christianity. Moving on to the capital of Iceland, which is Reykjavik, which runs on geothermal power and is home to the National and Saga museums tracing Iceland's Viking history. What is the official language of the Iceland? It is Icelandic. It is an Indo-European language belonging to the subgroup of North Germanic languages. And the currency of Iceland is Icelandic krona. Let's see some interesting facts of Iceland. Many Icelanders believe in elves, trolls, and other mystical stories are plentiful, so be sure to set some aside to an Icelander to hear a tale or two. So there are around 130 volcanoes in Iceland and roughly 30 of those categorized as currently active, from which Fagradalfjall, a long dormant volcano located just outside of Reykjavik, which is recently erupted. And the best part of Iceland is it was the last place on earth to be settled by humans. Iceland is also known as the youngest land masses on the planet. Surprisingly, over 1100 years ago, Viking from Norway discovered Iceland by accident. Moving on to the tourist attractions of Iceland. The first one is Skaftafell National Park. The Skaftafell Visitor Center provides all the necessary information about Vatnajökull National Park and its neighborhood, hiking routes, nature, history, services and activities. Also in Skaftafell Visitor Center is an exhibition about the glaciers and volcanoes in the area and the effects they had on the local settlement. There is also a crystal ice cave, which is also known as Skaftafell Ice Cave, is very likely the famous ice cave in Iceland, which is known for its incredibly turquoise blue colors, which is located in Vatnajökull National Park. The next tourist attraction is Blue Lagoon, which is just 40 minutes from Reykjavik. This most iconic of geothermal spas is a must-see tourist attraction. The water from the underground hot spring reaches 37 to 39 degrees Celsius and is said to be highly beneficial for both health and skin. This spa is located in a lava field near Grindavik and in front of Mount Porsgrunn on Reykjanes Peninsula. ATV treks, a popular things to do and one of the most adventurous way to experience Iceland is on the back of an ATV. Trekking across rugged lava fields, riding up dormant volcanoes and passing pastures with roaming wild Icelandic ponies. Famous dishes of Iceland. First is Polfiskar, which literally translates to plucked fish, is a hearty fish stew. Skyr, Icelandic skyr is quite similar to tart Greek yogurt. Paelsa, which is basically a Icelandic hot dogs. Lobster soup, it is a most popular dish in Iceland. Lastly is Kjellner, which is a Icelandic donuts usually eaten in breakfast. Major famous cities of Iceland. First is Reykjavik, which is the capital city of Iceland. Akureyri, it is a lovely fishing town in Iceland. Last is Elstadir, which is surrounded by beautiful landscapes, waterfalls and mountains.